I'm so excited. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Dr. Fred. Thank you. I'm just so excited.
So what was the biggest challenge before you got started? Before you said, okay, I'm going to go for this bestseller on pre-launch. What was your biggest challenge up front? What did you wrestle with?
You mean before I started the course, or after I finished the course and I realized what needed to be done?
Before you enrolled in the course.
Before I enrolled in the course.
After you enrolled in the course,
yeah.
Before you said, I'm going to launch this book. What were those challenges?
Challenges. Let me think about this clearly. Before I enrolled, actually, I'd already written 2 books. I still have those 2 books, but they weren't business branding books. They were just books from my knowledge, knowledge that I wanted to share. And I knew that I wanted to write a book and I wanted to sell the book and try and make a business online. But my concept of how to do that was not complete. So when I started listening to Dr. Fred on Clubhouse and on other social media platforms, I realized that, good morning, Chinello. Hello.
Caroline.
Hi. So I just had my launch yesterday, and Dr. Fred asked me what my challenges were before the course. So I was just explaining that I had written 2 books before, but my concept of how to build a business, how to make money from writing books was not complete. And then when I started listening to Dr. Fred, I realized that he had all the missing pieces. And when I saw the way that he would enroll people, and it was so smooth, and I couldn't figure out, like I was looking at it like it was just so, like it was like magic on Clubhouse. People were like, yes, yes, yes. And then he would just send them a link and off they went. And I was like, whoa, how did that happen? Like, I can't even imagine like doing that like that. But then, you know, he made himself available. He made the offers, you know, to talk. And also my sister, Anita, kind of said, you might like this guy. So I just kept watching the YouTube videos, and you know what? And then the enrollment part, it was easy. Like, I think that you know, I was willing to spend so much. That's what I had. It saved away, and that's what I knew that I wanted to spend. And he managed to come down to my level for that, and just give so much value. So I think that was my biggest challenge before the enrollment, was I just didn't have the full concept. And actually, even while Dr. Fred was explaining to me how things would work, I was thinking, I never really thought about this, but I can see that my vision, because I had a very solid vision of the way I wanted my life to be. It was very solid, and I could see that, I can get passive income by following what Dr. Fred said. I can get freedom from a 9-to-5 by doing what Dr. Fred says. I can you know, I can have a bit more, you know, I can spend my energy where I want to spend my energy because of what Dr. Fred. So the vision was the thing that kind of hooked me into what Dr. Fred was selling, because what he was offering, because I knew that I wanted a life like that. So, and I also knew I could teach. I also knew that I could build courses and classes. I just needed somebody to kind of fill in all the missing gaps.